Well, actually, just one thing I would say, this year seems slower than most other years I've worked during the summertime. During the summertime, there tended to be more going on with tick charts than there are at this time of the year. So I don't know. So anyway, yeah, we were saying the subject is how to make the next 6 months basically better than the last 6 months. And I thought the first thing that came to my mind was how to work less and get more money for doing it.
But
Uh, that was the biggest goal because that's the only goal you can really have, I think, in trading. Carry on with what I was doing. I've been moving towards sort of longer trades, doing less higher quality trades because it just reduces my work pressure, but the workflow. It just reduces all the stuff I have to do. Um, be even more formal in my trading because I'm a scalper most of the time. So what I find a lot of the time with scalping is some of it is a little bit intuitive, and it's not quite as formulaic as some of the books would advise that you are doing. You know, you're just basically sometimes you're seat of the pants, and just want to do a little bit less of that and be a little bit more formal. So again, to reduce the amount of work that I'm doing. So that's a big thing. Keep learning. You know, because
yeah,
I think at the moment, I mean, even with things like this, it's the biggest. It's an information age, and the only problem they have with an information age is working out what information is worth knowing and what information isn't worth knowing. And certainly with trading, I really believe that all of the information that you need or could ever want at whatever level you're at is available through YouTube or something else for free. So it's a great time to be a student, um, but it's also a very hard time because you have to work out what kind of information that you what information is worth knowing and what isn't. Um, then other things was just like set clear goals, you know, for the next 6 months. You know, that's always a big thing. And also a lot of it as well, what I was thinking about was is lifestyle. You know, it's as I was saying, I think I've spent more time in my office on my own than I would in a cell for murder. You know, so it is how to improve the lifestyle, you know, to
yeah,
be a bit healthier, both mentally and physically, you know, to get out and do
yeah.
other things that are more enjoyable for myself, really, besides double bottoms or double tops or whatever, the day after day after day after day. Um, and that's basically that would be the heart of what I would say that I'd like to do over the next 6 months, is basically longer setups, better lifestyle, more formal way of working, even more formal way of working.